Today's video is part of a seasonal collaboration hosted by A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. The link for her channel will be in the description box below. To see all the other creators in this collab, simply use the hashtag Spring Coffee Beverage Bar 2022 and type that into the search box for even more coffee bar inspiration. This is how my bar is currently styled. Last fall, I had an apple cider bar, and I enjoyed it so much I left it like this all winter long. Now if you missed this video, don't worry, I'll link it for you at the end so that you can go back and check it out. But now I'm ready for a new look for spring. And since I've kept it pretty neutral during the winter months, I'm excited to bring in some soft seasonal colors. I went shopping in my attic to see how I could use my existing decor pieces in a new and exciting way. I won't necessarily use everything, but I like to lay it out to see what I have to work with. Then I decide if I want to purchase anything new. Now that I have an empty, clean cart, let's decorate. If you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up and become a subscriber. I post videos on interior decorating, event planning, and lifestyle. Special thanks again to Kimberly Davis from ABH for hosting this seasonal collaboration, and remember to check out the other talented creators in this collection. I've linked 2 more of my coffee bar videos here on the sides for you to continue watching right now. Thanks for watching. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.